Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You hear her say hello. Isn't that sweet? She says hello. Alright, so today I have got FabFitFun box. This is not their quarterly box. This is kind of like add-ons, I think. I'm not sure. We're just going to open it up and see what's in here. So we're going to see what's in here. And we have a bag of stuff. This is a drawstring bag, a drawstring plastic bag that is tied. They got the knot out. So, I'm going to open this up and pull everything out and then we'll look at everything. This is Wanderbeauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. So yeah, I love trying different mascaras. I love getting to see what is going to work for me, what is not. The only other Wanderbeauty product I have tried is a moisturizer, which I really like. But we're going to see how this does. Very small one. Can't put it on right now because I've got the It Superhero on right now, so I wouldn't be able to tell how it does. But I will try it out and I'll let you know how it does. Okay, so this must be the Happy Home Sale 2021 Mystery Bundle. So I think that's what this is because I'm not seeing anything else. Ordered it on June 29th. So it's July. What day is it in July? And then I could just look here on my laptop. It is July 16th. So I actually thought it was going to be a different set that I bought. But anyway, so mascara, nice. Look, can't wait to try that out and see. This is Ahava Deadsea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Sea Kissed. Alright, cool. It's sealed, but yeah, I got the hand cream like crazy, so I am gonna go ahead and open it up. I want to see what it smells like. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like the smell. Love how it smells. It is pretty thick and creamy feeling putting it on. Almost does leave a little bit of a greasy feel to it. Just so you know, but yeah. Super nice. I feel like my hands are gonna be so very soft. Oh, and it is such a subtle scent. I love it when it's just a little subtle scent because sometimes scents can be overpowering for me and then I have to try to wash it off because I feel like it's making me, you know, it's too much for me. So I do like that. I wish it wasn't quite as greasy feeling, but that is the only thing bad I can say about it. Very nice. Ahava Deadsea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Powered by osmoter, enriched with refreshing witch hazel, this luxurious rich hand cream drenches your hands in velvety smoothness. A fresh breeze of marine and floral notes awaken the senses to a serenity of the sea. You are sea kissed. Apply anytime. Approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested. So very nice. I like that. So this is Coco Floss Passion Fruit, a loofah for your smile. Soft, fibrous cocoa floss with coconut oil and passion fruit fragrance to scrub your pearly whites ultra clean. Okay, I've never actually been sent floss in a box before, so I'm a little surprised by this. But yeah, floss will get used. I mean, that's pretty cool. I like the packaging. I can't smell it over this. But it says, you know, cocoa floss, so I'm kind of curious to have a taste to it. But anyway, I'm not going to floss right here in front of you on the camera. I'm just not going to do it. But that's neat. So, did I mention this bundle was $29? So tax and everything is like $31.03. Y'all, Lavita by priverevaux. Lavita by something. Look at this leather. Oh, I mean not leather. Snake skin. Look at. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. So clean and cloth. We certify the authenticity of these frames and verify they are past our quality control testing. You can register your frames. They're hand assembled, scratch resistant lenses, UVA and UVB protective, anti-glare coating, alkaline coated screws, and they are polarized. Handcrafted to perfection. These are not just glasses. These are an invitation to show up and share your best self with the world. From using polarized and blue light blocking lenses to crafting every pair of framed by hand, we leave no stone unturned when it comes to creating head-turning eyewear that offers the quality you want and the protection you need. I love this case. This is just adorable. And now we're gonna look at the glasses, y'all. I already see they have a little bit of a purple tortoise shell look to them. Y'all, they're raspberry tort is what it calls them. The Aria, handcrafted and polarized. Y'all, I mean, can't I rock these? These are a little big from what I normally wear, but I mean, what do y'all think? If it wasn't cloudy outside, I would sit out by the pool. These are pretty nice. I mean, I like them. That is so cool. I think they fit my face pretty well. Alright, so that is what I had in my FabFitFun box. Now, I am pretty excited about that. I think the glasses alone were worth the $29 that I paid for it. And then you have, you know, the floss, the hand cream, which nice, and Wander mascara. Put that in there so I don't lose it. And so that was everything. Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think of this. If it was a good deal or not. If you've ever used any of the products before, and you like them, don't like them. If you'd like to try them, whatever you want to say below. I love to read your comments. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you're still subscribed. Because, oh, my numbers have been fluctuating like crazy. I'll get up there and then all of a sudden I'm getting back down. And I think it's YouTube doing it. I don't think it's y'all unsubscribing. I think it's YouTube doing it. So keep an eye on that for all of the people that you follow. Don't forget to press the notification bell and share me with your friends. If you want to try FabFitFun, I do have free boxes that I can send out to you. In the comments below, just say, I want a free box. I'll get back to you, get your email address, or you can email me. That way you don't have to give out your email address to anybody but me. And once I get your email address, I can get a free starter box shipped to you. All you would have to do is pay shipping. So let me know if you want those. Thanks so much, y'all. If you want to, if you just want to try it, I also do have a link you can use. If you want to use the link below, it does give you $10 off of your first box. So that is two ways that you can get subscribed. I can send you the free starter box, or you can use my link below. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.